up yourself, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. I want to get a few pointers off to you guys about this trip that we did this weekend. I'm actually doing this intro from my car because this is the only quiet place that I can get now to do this intro. So basically, guys, we went out camping, fishing, kayaking, the whole 9 yards this weekend. And what we did was we started off with setting up the camp, getting things together and preparing a meal so we could all be full while fishing throughout the night, because our plans was to fish straight through the night till the next morning, continued till the afternoon. It was like a long distance fishing trip, man, and we were just trying to get as much in as we possibly could. Big up to Anthony, Shara, big up to Shelly. Thank you to my daughter Laurie. She put in a lot of work on this one. At her age, she has pushed out so much effort because she was so excited about the trip and being outside and doing this once more. We've done this a few times, and my friends was kind of new to it. A couple of them was, and it was just awesome, guys. It's like catching the fish. What did I use to catch the fish, guys? Well, like I said before in a prior video, I've used, when I'm fishing most of the times and doing drop line fishing, especially shore fishing, in reefy areas I try my best not to use Carolina rigs. I use over under rig with the weight stemming at the bottom. So basically, when you cast out, if you hook a fish, you lose the weight before you lose the fish. So I tend to practice that technique a lot because where I live there's a lot of reefs and a lot of grass and stuff like that. Yeah, guys, big up yourself, guys. So it's a lot of stuff that I really do my homework when fishing. I push out a lot of effort into scouting spots, flying the drone over certain spots to see the terrain and the setup of the water and what's in the water. When I cast out, I use a 10-foot rod or an 8-foot rod, minimal 7-foot. I do not use anything below 7-foot rods, guys, because I cannot get that cast out that I need from the lower level, shorter rods. So 3-ounce weights, 30-pound nylon, 30-pound casking leader is one of the things that I use. 1/0 hooks to 6/0 hooks. So I vary depending on the type of fishing and the type of species that I'm hunting for, guys. So big up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned and enjoy this hot epic video, guys. This is gonna be a serious catch. Check it out, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Shore fishing, guys. Trying to get my rods out. Anthony got his rods in the water already, and I ain't got mine yet. Look at that. Got his rods underwater, guys. That's what's up. Setting up. Yeah, guys. I sent a few guys back here one time. They came back to me saying that there's no fish back here. Well, I have something to teach you guys. St. Elizabeth, guys. Shara, drop your rod stand right here. Put a rod stand right there. And set one of your rods up. Don't be sitting out of the water while everybody else is in the water.
Yours?
Alright, my lower rod comes out tomorrow. I don't take that out till tomorrow. What? Here. Yeah, just set up one right here. Yeah. Save this one for your lure rod. Do not use this to drop line. Use that to drop line. Yara, see bait here, you know. See bait here. Why you can't get it open? Eh?
tangled up on you? Or that brand new rig them just tie up on it? Good. I'm glad to say you had a few extra weights with you because I was worried about. I was kind of worried about getting hitched and not being able to tie up any rigs. I was sitting there like, yo, your ass will be stuck on lure all the time you down here. But the lure is good still. I'm not really worried about it. But that's what it is. All right, go ahead, buckle up and let's get out there. All right. Making sure I'm fishing here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we out here, we're setting our rigs up, trying to get the evening bite for these snappers. The water's calming down. Hopefully tomorrow morning I can get out here on this glass with a kayak tomorrow, guys, and get out here to this reef, get this fish finder working and all of that stuff set up. So I will be up setting the kayak up and stuff tonight, doing a little bit of fishing in the same time, trying to get some food, guys. We are going to do a little bit of cooking here, and we're camping overnight and enjoying the hell out of our weekend. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. Come on. Laurie, give me the alarms outside my bag. Alarms, the bells. They're in my black bag right there in the small pocket. No, man, in I side, the side small pocket. You should hear them as you. I'm gonna go get them. Right here. One bell, two bell. Do I have any more in there? Oh shit! Out of luck. Out of luck. All right. I'll work with two for now. One bell, two bell, three bell, four. Alright, we're gonna get out here, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Let's get this out there, guys. See how far out we can get. Down. Get this thing in the water right away. Get a bell on this, guys. See if we can pick up some snapper before it gets dark. On the evening bite, guys. Alright. We have this guy in there. A big rod. A 10-footer. Long caster. Let's get it out, guys. Let's get this out there, guys. Making sure fishing. We are out here, guys. That's what's up. That's the shrimp. Yeah? Yeah. You threw it over my line. Come on. Let me see. I felt you got a pick a while ago coming in. Alright, come on, let me get you out. You're good, don't worry. Alright. One length is good. Shit, piece fell off, but you're good. Don't worry about it, you're good. Get your rod. Huh? I'm gonna go a lot further than you, so don't worry about if I go over you, alright? Oh shit, piece fell off. See if I could find another alarm, guys. I gotta watch that line carefully while I'm doing this, because it only takes a second for that to happen, guys. Yep. Trying to find extra alarms in here, and I doubt if I could find one. There, guys. Touch you look while you fuck. That a no touch. That a no touch. Yeah man, Jamaican shore fishing here guys. And Anthony's out here, Shara. See what we can pick up. See what's out there rolling guys. Bap. Can't check your bait now. Yeah? Cause they're most likely gone with it. Oh, you have something for me, Anthony? I thought you had on something a while ago. Check your bait, Shara. Yeah guys, we are here with the rest of the team. A couple more of our friends supposed to arrive. I don't know where they're gonna set up, but yep. Welcome to camp Jamaican shore fishing, guys. That's what's up. Well, Shawnee, I'm sorry you wasn't here for this one, but yeah, we out camping. We in the wild. Yeah. Are you a lick off alarm over there? Fish on! Fish on, Anthony! Fish on, guys. Making sure fishing, guys. Fish on, guys. Making sure fishing, guys. As we got here, guys. Hang on. We're making shore fishing, guys. We got a monster on here, guys. Yeah, baby. Come on. That's what's up. I'm a fighter, motherfucker. You're making shore fishing, your bitch ass. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You ain't got no fight left. I'm tired as fuck, but I got you. Feel like a fucking monster.
Don't lose it, don't lose it. Run.
He went across my other line. Holy fuck. Come on, bro. I got you. I got you, baby. I got you. Come on. I got you. I got you, baby. Come on. Jamaican shore fishing. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's what's up. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Grabbing blood clot under it.
Wait, yeah, they should have taken you up, Jack.
Yeah, what? Murder! Murder! That's what's up. So, fishing.
Don't this it.
What's up?
Outside.
Outside.
Not that.
I'm dead off.
Oh my God. Oh, you catch me inside of the fish.
Sorry.
Stop it.
I'm dead off.
Oh my God.
I'm dead off. Boy. Jamaican shore fishing. Holy smokes, guys. Killer. Whoo-wee. That's what's up. Before nightfall, guys.
You're fishing.
You're dead.
Why
You're
are
dead
you-
off.
Why are you kick off on me? What do you mean?
Oh, yeah.
I want a picture as well.
All right. Come in, Shara.
We say, yo, you can give me a rush fight.
Good.
Whoa! Woo!
Something none for sure.
Oh, man.
When you take it next
Sorry! Go kill it, kill it, me, go look ya!
Good, let's hold it.
Yeah, man. Hit that Jamaican shore fishing. Look at that. This red light's blinking?
Yeah.
I got the action. I got every single second of it. Woo! I checked the bait for the other one. I'm see just took off in Anthony. I was like, what the hell?
Man. Hold him, Shara. Hold him. Yeah. That's it.
I'm my alarm. I'm my alarm.
Come here, Ben. Put him.
We are putting there.
We are doing him, Jerry. Put him where you put Jerry.
Cooler. Straight
Oh,
cooler.
action!
Murder, you wash him off before dropping it here. Come, come. Yeah. Come. Wash off the sun off him and then we drop them on top of everything else in there. Fatty. You must take that for with that, Meg. You must dinner for with that. I will eat that in the shower. I don't mean one it. Oh, let's get him on ice. Alright, we need to get him underneath here. Drop him in there. No, I want nothing else in there, so everything good, man. Lord, please.
Can't do a hole in there.
Put him have go hole in there now. I can turn there. One leg. One leg pull up. I can turn there. That's good. Cause the meat and sitting soon come out.
Are you gonna start cooking soon?
So, Jerry, tonight, will be hot. It won't be hot, because it's not for them to come out yet.
Brother,
But a good permit
we
jack that,
can,
innit?
we can look come down now.
The school, man. The school, man. We have some chunk that. We should have something like chunk.
No man, I chuck the shrimp head them in the water.
Yeah, that me I do.
I chuck the shrimp head them in the water so them smelly and come in.
Yeah, tell you, say.
Get out with your big rod further.
No, I have to go close more to the water. I
Yeah,
got the skillet.
you know there's some reef there so.
Yeah, man.
Drop your line. Make set it before you leave.
Yeah, we set them.
Alright, so we can watch them for you.
Yeah. We'll go for skillet and fall.
Alright.
Man, over here, bell moving on. We get chicken.
We say, yo dogs, I look less rod at the catch pan, the lightest rod. I'm the lightest rod.
The 75 pound, 100 pound wheel. I know they don't get the action there. But we're there, and this is what it's all about.
So brother,
Good fight.
give me a fight look while.
Oh, yeah, man.
Woo!
Water, eagle.
I like him, I try run. Thank you, Fit. Me put ice on him, you know. Me put the ice on him. Woo! Yeah, baby. Come on.
This is what it's all about. Yo,
No, Anthony.
this episode will be a banger.
Mad. Damn, guys. That wasn't a adrenaline rush. I'm still shaking. Holy shit. Yeah, right now that... Yo, Anthony, how much you think you weigh? About 10 pounds, not you?
7.
Eh?
7 pounds.
7 and 6. I say 8. I say 8 minimal. I said 8 pound minimal. In big man. I saw them sound sometime, man. Nothing wrong with it. You want grease?
But you can get grease regular?
No, man. You want the real grease. So specific grease going on that.
Jerry.
What?
You hear that?
I heard my bell go off. Orion.
Orion.
Take off
the bell. Take off the bell, Jerry. Take off the bell.
One buckler.
Take off the bell, Jerry.
Second run for the night, people. Jamaican shore fishing, guys.
You have him?